I'm at 4122 Euclid. It's been a while since we brought you guys in this here. I'm going to walk you through right quick. We've put in all new plumbing, new copper piping, PVC drainage, vents of PVC. We did a 2-inch trap. Make it easier for you when you're doing your clean outs. It's the insulation for the plumbing. They got to install the insulation. You can see we got the radiators in. Had all the radiators done. We started putting up the doors also. We had most of the floors refinished. Just dusty from the drywall work. You can see they painted, put ceiling fans up. The cabinets are here. Once the building inspector sign off on the plumbing, hopefully he'll do that come Tuesday, considering it's the holiday. We're going to walk you through upstairs, show you upstairs. The hallway's been painted, as you can see. Gotta put the hand railings back. Hadn't figured out exactly what I'm gonna do with the stairs yet. But for the most part, the hallways is pretty much done. Unit's almost ready. It's the 3 bedrooms. By the end of this month, we should be looking to start moving people in. Just got to do a good cleaning once he left the ceiling fans on. Once the building inspector sign off and we do